Right, hello everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video on Sketchbook. It's a free art software, it's very good, okay, Autodesk Sketchbook art software. This is a video I'm going to show you how you can make your own brushes, okay, make your own brushes. Sorry for not using my webcam today, but I'm just doing this quickly. So let's imagine I want to make a brush, like for example I made this brush earlier, I made this one. Let me show you this here. Looks like some buildings or something, right? It looks like a building. What do you call it? A bit like just like a building, a cityscape or something. I can use this, you know, to make some shapes, right? I'm going to show you how you can make basically anything into a brush, okay? Any image into a brush. So we're going to make an image. We're going to literally make an image, okay? I'm going to draw something. Now you don't have to use this, you can use any image or any photo or you could draw it in Photoshop or another, whatever you like to use, you know. So I'm going to draw something now. I'm not going to keep it, I will delete it, but I'm just going to show you really quickly, okay? So I'm just going to draw a little brush. Let's imagine I do some kind of shape there. I don't know what this is, it's a scribble, okay? And I want to make this into a brush, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop the image to make it like just this shape here, using the crop tool up here. Just cut it out, okay. I'm going to hit yes. I'm just going to cut that, okay, like that. The background should not be white. The background should be transparent. So don't worry about that, okay. I'm going to save it as a PNG. So I'm going to file, save as PNG. I'm going to give it any name. Save it as a PNG. That's why, because we really want that transparent background, meaning no information. So it's not white, okay. I'm going to hit save, okay. Now I'm going to start a new project. Okay. So I'm going to bring the image, which is this image here. Oh, it does look a bit white, doesn't it, to me? Uh-oh. I hope it's saved okay. I'm not too sure if it's saved okay now. So I think to be sure, I'll just have to try and see what it looks like. So I'm going to go to File, Add Image. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing this to test it. Okay. I'm going to bring the image in, and we can't really see, can we? I'm going to make the bottom layer. Let me just deselect. Let me just choose a pair. Choose the paint bucket. Sorry, first of all. And I'm going to choose another color like red. Okay, so that did not save properly, okay, so I'm very sorry, it did not save properly. We're going to need to do it again, okay. So let's try again. I'm going to delete that. We'll try again, okay. So it can be any colour. I'm going to draw a scribble like I just showed you. Here, okay. I think it's because the background, we need to make the background transparent, right? How do you make the background transparent? Turn it off? Show layer or not show layer. I think it would still save. Okay, so I've turned off that, okay, this time with the eye. The eye. I'm going to crop again with the crop tool here. Crop around that, okay. Go to yes. Let's see if it saves. I'm going to save as, and I'm going to save over the one we had, the other one. Choose PNG. Where's the one? Oh no, I deleted it, didn't I? Okay, so saving it as PNG. I really hope that worked this time. Right, let's just go undo quickly, add a new layer, delete the image. Okay, now this is like this, okay. Let me turn the background, on. I'm going to turn the background another colour, like red, just for a second, just so we can see. File, add image, let me find the image. And it worked. Good. Okay, good. So before you save it, you want to make sure you turn the visibility of the background off with that eye, okay? Okay, so we know that is saved. But remember, you can do the image in another software, like Photoshop or anything, okay? Good. Okay, so let's start again. We're going to start a new project, okay? So we have an image. So let's just start right from now. Remember, you can use any image, okay? But a PNG is best, like the one we just made, because we want to have a transparent background. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, so first of all, you've got your brushes and everything over here, your brushes thing. go to the right. You've got two options here, left and right. Go to that one on the right, and I've made a set here, a new set. You'll see this little circle dot thing here. If you left click and hold, you'll see that if you drag up, you can make like a new folder, or you can make a new brush, and that's what we want to do. I want to make a new brush, so I'm going to drag it across to new brush, click it, and it says current brush. You can choose what one you want to use. I'm going to use current brush. Could choose standard. Could choose standard even. How about standard? Okay. And go to create. And it's giving you like an icon. You can see this icon here. This one is just a little strange thing they've given you. Do it yourself brush. I'm going to click on this. Hold on. Double click on this actually, sorry. And then you've got the options and everything. Let's go to advanced. Then go down to where it says nib. So nib, open up the nib. And then where it says shape, tick the box, shape. Now go to import. Then I'm going to choose the image, which is this one. And okay, it's right there. And I'm also going to do something else very important. I've found this to be important before, so remember what I'm saying here, okay? Ignore edge, where it says ignore edge, click that, because otherwise it will cut some of the picture off. So tick ignore edge, okay? Okay, good. And now we can go back up and we can, you know, play with some things here. You can see the update, the preview here and the image. Play with the spacing, how far it's spaced out, stuff like that. Pressure and everything, different things you can change along here. Even randomness, like random stuff, random rotation, and all kinds of, where is it? Rotation, randomness, stuff like that. Whatever you want to have. Double click. So hold on. Okay, and again, going back to the basics, and you can even choose what kind of brush it is, like paint and different things. So I'm keeping it as standard. Size, opacity, all that stuff. Okay, that's done. You can even double click on the name here and just give it a new name. Type anything you want to type. I'm just going to call it GGGG. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. Bang. Turn off that now. And now I can just draw with this. Okay, so let me just turn up my, double click on that for a second. Turn up the size a bit. Okay. And then I can just draw with that now, you see? And that's good, yeah. You can make any kind of brushes. That's very, very handy, right? You can make trees, forests, anything, grass, you know, flowers, whatever. Okay. Obviously, if you don't want to keep the brush, simply just go over where it is. Left. Hold on. Double click. Hang on. How do you get rid of it? Oh, no. Click on the icon and then go to the circle dot thing again, and then just go to delete brush. Where it says delete brush. And then go to yes, and that's gone. Okay, and even if you delete the original images off of wherever you saved them, it seems to still save them in the software in its main settings. So we're still going to have that. So if I start again, we're still going to have it. If I close down close the software down and open it again, I can click on my things here on the right one and still find it again. You know, but I've already deleted it. But you can see it with this building one. I still have this. Okay, sorry for speaking fast. There's a time limit on this screen recording. I hope this has been useful and helpful to people. Thank you for watching. I'm going to stop this video now. You take care. More videos on this software to come, and art in general. Take care.